I have found a new AI video generator that allows you to generate AI videos, advert videos, cartoon videos, all completely free. What you just watched, I generated it using this AI video generator. You can see the quality, it is top notch, all right, and it is completely free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, there is a new AI video generator that is out and is free, beta, free, and it gives you high quality videos, all right, with multiple angles for free. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your comment on the comment section, all right? Now let's head over. Let me show you how it works and how you can access it. When you head to your browser, whatever device you're using, okay, type in VID. All right, this particular one. Now I'm using laptop. If you're using your phone device, it is very okay. Right? You click on it, it opens this way. The first one is what we click on. Now you click on sign into. Now I've signed in, all right. You can see landscape. If you're going for portrait, leave it at portrait, but I'm going for landscape, so I left it at landscape. Now you see AI, inverter, cover slide, upload. All right. Now these are the two tools. All right. Click on view 3. It opens up this way. All right. Here is for video generation. If you click on it, this drops down. This is for our avatar. This is for voiceover. You want to do a voiceover. This is for image generation. All right. Now let me just paste this prompt and scroll down right here. You choose the ratio and send. It creates you image. Now this tool is free on your device, on any of the device you're using. It allows you to generate AI videos, image, do recording, voiceover. Now it uses Nano Banana. All right. Now let's head over to the video, which is the most important part. This is create from scratch, and this is animate. Animate is for when you want to, you have an image already. So I'm going for animate. Okay. When you click on the add image right here, click on add image right here. You upload the image you want to animate. Okay, this animate is for image to video, right? Now the video, you equally paste your video prompt with dialogue. If you have a dialogue, paste all of that. You can see Veo 3.1, you're using it to generate AI videos. Now when it comes to AI models, video models, Veo 3.1 is one of the top video generators with high quality. Now it has actually generated the video. Okay, so what you need to do is go ahead and watch. All right, there you can see the insert. Once you watch it, you see insert right here. Click on insert. It takes your video to here. Okay, you can see where it appears. Once it is here, you can now click on file. All right here, file, click on download, click on MP, and your video will start downloading. You get me? Click on file, click on download. This way, that is how you download the video. All right, that is how you download the video. Now the next tool is Quen AI. Yes, Quen AI, it is free and you can access it on your phone, on your laptop, whatever device you have. Go to your search bar and type in Quen AI. This first one right here. Okay, you click on it, it opens up. Right now, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, you click on generate video, then it takes you here. Now you need to sign in. I've already signed in. You need to sign in. You first click on plus and upload the image you want to animate, the video you want to, image you want to turn. Then the next, you click allow it to upload first. Next, you click on plus. All right, click on create video. This is how it should be. Then you paste your prompt. Immediately you paste your prompt, you click and it starts generating. It starts generating your video. All right. Now this is free. This AI tweet has done generated. Then you click on plus and download it. All right. I will be playing all we generated in the at the end of this video. Now this is my best of them all. This is my best of them all. That is Google Flow AI. Okay. You need to sign in. I've already signed in. I use it often. Okay. You click on new project. You can access it using your phone, whatever device that has browser, you access this to using it. All right. This is how it looks. Once you're signing, click on new project and it comes out this way. Okay. Click on video, take it to video, the size, frame. If you're doing image to video, go for frame. For accuracy, go for frame. Okay, click on, let me just go with this particular one. Now, my burst free AI generator is this one. Okay, for you to be able to access it consistently and unlimited, drop a comment on the, I will be telling you how to do that on the comment section, how to use this tool consistently. All right, make sure now you see view 3.1 or mini flash, any one of these. But for you to be able to generate more, go for view 3.1 light. Okay, my video is almost done generating. Okay, it is done, it is almost done. Now, I will be uploading all the video we generated so far, so you get to see it. It has done. You see it here? Click on the 3 plus, download it, 7p, and you have your video. All right. Now watch what we generated.